Hi, let us understand different HTTP verbs or methods being used as a part of HTTP protocol. Whenever I am making a request to perform some action or making any change to the resource, I will be using different type of methods or verbs as a part of HTTP. And this can be very easily compared using the CRUD operation against the database. Say for example, whenever I want to read a resource, I will be using the get method. Whenever I wanted to create a new resource or add a record, I will be using the post. So post will be used to send the information and create a new record. Similarly, we do have put and patch. Put, it will be replacing the resource, and patch will be used to modify the resource. The same way, I can use the delete method to delete the resource. And these are all the frequently used methods. Out of this, get and post are very frequently used. So we will be doing a demo how to implement the get and post method. Along with this, we do have other methods like head, connect, trace and patch. Head, it will be getting only the head without the response body. In the same way, connect, I can use it to create a tunnel between the client and the server, and trace will be used to create a test message and send across a loopback test between the client and the server. And patch, it will be used to send out a modification to the resource already created or already existing between the client and the server. Now, every servlet, I can go ahead and create a method to serve these different verbs or methods. Let me go ahead and modify the existing code. Let me go ahead and create a new servlet. For understanding purpose, I am going to create a new branch so that we can get back to the earlier code whenever we want it. Let me get into the team menu and get into the switch to option, create a new branch. So I am creating a branch called HTTP method demo. Here I will be creating a new servlet. New, as a part of other option, let me search for servlet, select servlet. Let me have the packages conn.muthu for all and having the class name as HTTP method demo. I'm not going to provide any initialization parameter. I'll leave the URL mapping as it is. Say next. Here's where it's going to provide the option to create the method for various HTTP methods to handle. Say to delete, to trace, like this, we can go ahead and create, say finish. So automatically it will create the methods do get, do post, do put, do delete, do head, do options. Like this, it's going to go ahead and create the required methods. I can go ahead and do the implementation depending on the type of request that I am sending. As a part of the next lecture, we are going to create a sample HTML file and let us create a get request as well as a post request. So as a part of this lecture, we have seen different type of HTTP methods or verbs and how the methods will be created within the servlet to handle the individual methods, and accordingly based on the type of request, the corresponding methods would get invoked automatically.